Welcome to the best remote work from home job just for you. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell because we have 5 to 7 job leads every single day here just for you. Hello and welcome to the best remote work from home job just for you. Today we have an opportunity from the company Women of Culture. They're looking for a social media marketing / events assistant. Are you interested in the arts, event planning, marketing, and social media? Do you want to be an instrumental part of building a small organization from the ground up while also learning about the New York art world, event coordination, and community building? Women of Culture is a startup designed to connect, inspire, and empower NYC women through more meaningful engagement with the arts. We do this through carefully curated cultural experiences, trips, and workshops, which encourage women to push their boundaries, discover new perspectives, and connect more deeply with themselves and the world around them. You will be working one-on-one, mostly remotely, with the founder of a young art and community building startup. Responsibilities include promote and market upcoming events across a variety of social media platforms, ideate and research new promotional opportunities and sponsorships, execute social media posts, update websites, and meetup page for all upcoming events. Assist with blog posts, email newsletters, event planning and coordination, and membership portal. Special projects such as crowdfunding, press/influencer research and outreach, and membership development. Qualifications: attention to detail with an eye for the bigger picture, self-starter, resourceful, and easily able to take direction while also anticipating the next step. Highly motivated and interested in helping build a small organization interested in the arts, community, events, marketing, and social media. Some knowledge of MailChimp, Hootsuite, and Squarespace preferred. Some knowledge of Canva and or Adobe Creative Suite preferred. Excellent written and verbal communication skills. Flexibility and ability to work remotely. To apply, please email your resume with a brief note as to why you're interested in this role and what your availability is. This is part-time. It pays $15 an hour. It provides a flexible schedule and experience. Only 1 year of marketing is preferred, not required, but preferred. If you feel like you're the perfect candidate for this particular position, I'll put the link right in the description below so you can apply right away. But if not, that's okay. Just subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell so you get notified every single time we have a brand new best remote work from home job just for you right here on this channel that we're going to have 5 to 7 job leads every single day. Whether you're fed up with the office work lifestyle and you just want to work from home, or you're just looking for more freedom for you and your loved ones and family, work from home opportunities for you right here on this YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified every single time we have a brand new work from home opportunity just for you.